pranayama and sleeping problems. Why does pranayama help so much in any kinds of sleeping problems? Whether you can't sleep through, you have nightmares, you need to sleep a lot, or you don't sleep enough. In the end, you will always feel more exhausted than rested, and you just struggle with your sleep quality and the recreational effects that it should have. So with the pranayama, you can control not only the activity level of your body, but also the level of activity of your mind. Yes, you can regulate your brain waves via your breath. This is brainwave entrainment, and it's easiest done when you use your breath as a tool of regulation. In order to fall asleep, we should be relaxed. That means the circulation of blood in our body is very well in the periphery, and the core of our body, our organs, will cool down. Our brain waves change from beta into alpha brain waves when we fall asleep. Our blood sugar levels and our blood pressure decline. This is how we fall asleep. So you can easily regulate your blood pressure and your blood sugar levels, the activity in your organs, as well as your brain waves via your breath.